1936 Chevrolet Deluxe Master Coupe. Price, $20,000. Location, Hot Springs National Park, Arkansas. Take a look at this beautiful 1936 Chevrolet Deluxe Master Coupe, a classic street rod that combines timeless pre-war styling with dependable modern performance. What immediately sets this car apart is its incredibly rare dual fender-mounted spare tire holders, a distinctive feature that's seldom seen and gives this Chevrolet a truly elegant, upscale appearance. Finished in classic vintage style, this coupe has been thoughtfully upgraded to make it far more enjoyable to drive than it was nearly 90 years ago. Under the hood sits a proven Chevy 350 cubic inch V8, paired with a 700 R4 automatic transmission, delivering smooth shifting, reliable performance, and plenty of power for weekend cruising or long highway drives. Driving comfort has also been significantly improved with the addition of power steering, making the car much easier to maneuver, while air conditioning helps keep the cabin comfortable even during hot summer cruises. According to the seller, the engine has recently been tuned up and several important components have been replaced, including a rebuilt power steering pump, a new fuel pump, and a new fuel sending unit, giving the next owner extra confidence behind the wheel. Inside, the upgrades continue with leather power seats, blending modern comfort into this classic Chevrolet without taking away its vintage character. 1940 Pontiac Silver Streak Deluxe 2-door Sedan. Price, $12,000. Location, West Monroe, Louisiana. If you're looking for a rare pre-war American classic with incredible potential, this 1940 Pontiac Silver Streak Deluxe 2-door sedan deserves your attention. Finished in a beautiful blue exterior with a gray interior, this car stands out because 2-door sedans were the least produced body style, making them much harder to find today. According to the seller, this Pontiac has had only 2 owners since new. The original owner completely rebuilt the car and upgraded it with a 12-volt electrical conversion, then drove it just once before placing it into indoor storage, where it has remained for more than 26 years. The odometer shows approximately 10,000 miles, and the seller says the body is completely rust-free with no dents, making it an excellent foundation for either a preservation project or a full restoration. Before returning to the road, it will need a new battery and the fuel system cleaned, which is expected after such a long period in storage. One of the biggest highlights is its rare factory blue color, combined with the desirable 2-door body style that collectors rarely come across. The seller describes it as an honest survivor with tremendous potential and one of the finest examples of a pre-war Pontiac waiting to be brought back to life. 1939 Ford Deluxe Convertible. Price, $46,500. Location, Mounds, Oklahoma. Few classic cars capture the spirit of pre-war American motoring quite like the 1939 Ford Deluxe Convertible. With its flowing fenders, elegant styling, and the added charm of a factory-style rumble seat, this Ford is the kind of classic that turns every drive into a special occasion. Finished in the rare and beautiful Cordoba brown, this convertible stands out from the more common color choices while perfectly complementing its matching brown interior. According to the seller, both the paint and interior are in excellent condition, giving the car a well-preserved appearance that's ready for weekend cruises, local car shows, or simply enjoying a sunny afternoon with the top down. Under the hood is a built flathead V8, one of the most legendary engines of its era. It's paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, often called 3 on the floor, delivering an authentic driving experience that enthusiasts truly appreciate. Performance has been enhanced with Edmond aluminum heads and a Holley 4-barrel carburetor, giving the classic flathead more power and improved throttle response while maintaining its vintage character. This Ford also benefits from several thoughtful upgrades that improve reliability and drivability. It features a 12-volt electrical conversion, an electric fuel pump for dependable starts, an electric cooling fan to help keep the engine running cool, and new Bendix-style front brakes for improved stopping performance. A brand new exhaust system with glass pack mufflers gives the flathead V8 that unmistakable deep, vintage sound every classic car enthusiast loves. Additional highlights include working fog lights, approximately 56,000 miles on the odometer, and a clean title with no significant damage or mechanical issues reported. The seller also notes that the car starts easily, runs cool, and drives exceptionally well, making it a classic that's ready to be enjoyed immediately. 1930 Ford Tudor. Price, $28,001. Location, Rowlett, Texas. If you're looking for a classic hot rod that perfectly blends vintage style with modern performance, this 1930 Ford Tudor is one you'll definitely want to check out. Built on the legendary Model A platform, this all-steel Ford has been transformed into a reliable street machine that's ready to hit the road. While it still carries the unmistakable look of a 1930 Ford, nearly every major mechanical component has been upgraded for today's driving. It's built on a Pete and Jake's custom frame, giving the car a solid foundation while preserving its classic appearance. Finished in a beautiful blue exterior, this Tudor has the timeless charm of a pre-war Ford with the attitude of a modern street rod. Under the hood is a high-output 5.0-liter Ford 302 V8, paired with a C4 automatic transmission and a Ford 9-inch rear end with coilover shocks. Up front, you'll find a Mustang II suspension with rack and pinion steering, making the car far easier to handle than an original Model A. It's also equipped with power 4-wheel disc brakes, giving it the stopping power to match its performance. Inside, the upgrades continue with a completely customized interior featuring Dynamat insulation, power windows, keyless entry, an Idiot tilt steering column, locker shifter, dolphin gauges, and even a custom overhead console with a tablet-based stereo system. The car also features eye-catching suicide doors, adding even more personality to an already unique build. According to the seller, the Ford runs and drives great. The rebuilt C4 transmission is included with the sale, although it hasn't been installed yet. The seller also mentions a minor transmission selector shaft seal leak, some bodywork still needed, and that the air conditioning only requires hoses to be completed. One of the most unique parts of this package is the custom-built whiskey barrel cargo trailer, finished to match the car's interior. It's a rare addition that makes this Tudor stand out even more at car shows and weekend events. 1940 Buick Series 80 Limousine. Price, $18,995. Location, Mena, Arkansas. If you're a fan of rare American luxury cars, this 1940 Buick Series 80 Limousine is a true piece of automotive history. It's not every day you come across an original pre-war limousine that has survived more than 8 decades while retaining so much of its factory character. Finished in its original black paint with a tan interior, this Buick is described by the seller as a genuine survivor rather than a fully restored show car. In fact, nearly everything remains original with the exception of the seat upholstery, which has been replaced to keep the interior comfortable while preserving the car's classic appearance. Power comes from Buick's legendary straight-8 engine, paired with a 3-speed manual transmission mounted on the steering column, commonly known as 3 on the tree. This combination was known for delivering smooth, quiet performance, making the Series 80 one of the most refined luxury cars of its era. According to the seller, the drivetrain has been mechanically restored, and the car drives exceptionally well, making it ready for long-distance cruising rather than just display. The odometer shows 67,656 miles, and the seller proudly states that this limousine is 100% rust-free, with perfect glass, no dents, and all original paint. 1940 Chevrolet Master 85 Town Sedan. Price, $18,000. Location, Neuala, Oklahoma. If you're searching for a pre-war American classic that's already been restored and is ready to enjoy, this 1940 Chevrolet Master 85 Town Sedan deserves a spot on your list. Combining elegant styling with dependable mechanicals, this Chevrolet offers the kind of driving experience that reminds you why these cars have remained collector favorites for generations. Finished in a rich burgundy exterior paired with a tasteful gray interior, this sedan has a timeless look that captures the spirit of early 1940s American design. Long flowing fenders, generous chrome accents, and a graceful body shape give it an unmistakable presence wherever it goes. According to the seller, the car has been restored to better than new condition, with careful attention paid to both appearance and reliability. One detail that highlights the quality of the restoration is the extensive use of stainless steel fasteners throughout the vehicle, providing added durability while maintaining a clean, professional finish. Under the hood is Chevrolet's reliable inline 6-cylinder engine, paired with the original-style 3-speed manual transmission mounted on the steering column, often referred to as 3 on the tree. This combination delivers the smooth, relaxed driving experience these classic Chevrolets are known for. The seller says the car runs and drives beautifully, making it ideal for weekend cruises, classic car events, or simply enjoying a relaxing drive through the countryside. The odometer currently shows approximately 80,000 miles, and another important feature is that the VIN still matches the original serial number, something collectors always appreciate when searching for authentic classic vehicles. The seller also mentions the car has a clean title and is completely ready to be driven and shown. While there are a few very minor paint imperfections, they're difficult to notice unless someone points them out. In many ways, that's actually a benefit, allowing the next owner to enjoy driving the car without worrying about every tiny flaw. 1959 Nash Metropolitan. Price: $9,500. Keller, fix. Here's a charming little classic that's guaranteed to turn heads, a 1959 Nash Metropolitan. Finished in bright red with a matching red interior, this iconic compact captures everything people love about 1950s styling in a fun-sized package. Powered by its classic 4-cylinder engine and paired with a manual transmission, the seller says the car runs and drives great and is an absolute blast behind the wheel. Whether you're cruising around town or heading to a local car show, this Metropolitan is sure to attract plenty of smiles and attention wherever it goes. The odometer shows around 1,000 miles, and while it received an older repaint, the finish still looks good and presents well. It's an honest driver that's ready to be enjoyed instead of hidden away in a garage. Located in Keller, Texas, this 1959 Nash Metropolitan is offered for just $9,500, with reasonable offers considered. It's an affordable, unique classic that's full of personality and perfect for anyone looking to stand out. 1955 Cadillac Fleetwood Coupe 2D. Price: $47,500. Location: Amarillo, Texas. When people think of the golden age of American luxury, few cars represent it better than the 1955 Cadillac Fleetwood Coupe. With its unmistakable styling, impressive craftsmanship, and smooth V8 performance, this Cadillac captures everything that made the brand the symbol of success during the 1950s. Finished in a stunning gray metallic Cadillac paint, paired with a matching silver leather and cloth interior, this Fleetwood has been restored with exceptional attention to detail. According to the seller, it's a rust-free, two-owner car that underwent a meticulous, period-correct restoration after the second owner purchased it in 2005. The result is a classic that looks remarkably authentic while remaining ready to drive and enjoy. Power comes from the original 331 cubic inch Cadillac V8, mated to an automatic transmission that delivers the smooth, effortless driving experience Cadillac was famous for. The seller rates the paint a 9 out of 10, and the car's elegant appearance is enhanced by a set of wire wheels with Cadillac center caps, giving it the sophisticated look collectors expect from a Fleetwood. Luxury was Cadillac's trademark, and this example is loaded with desirable factory features. It includes factory front and rear air conditioning, power windows, and power door locks, premium options that were well ahead of their time and still impressive even by today's standards. Inside, the period-correct glamour-style leather and cloth upholstery recreates the elegant atmosphere that made these Cadillacs America's luxury benchmark. This Fleetwood also comes with an impressive collection of original accessories and documentation. Included in the sale are factory service and repair manuals, a beautiful set of 1950s Hartmann luggage, the original tire repair tools, and even a handwritten maintenance journal documenting repairs and mileage over the years. That level of history is something collectors rarely find and adds tremendous value to an already exceptional automobile. With just 43,333 miles showing on the odometer, this Cadillac represents a rare opportunity to own a beautifully preserved piece of American automotive history. 1960 Chevrolet Bel Air. Price: $34,999. Location: Sherman, Texas. The 1960 Chevrolet Bel Air represents one of the most iconic eras of American automotive design. With its sleek tail fins, wide stance, and unmistakable chrome styling, this one-year-only body design perfectly captures the transition from the bold 1950s into the muscle car era that would soon follow. If you're looking for a classic that's been upgraded to drive as good as it looks, this Bel Air deserves a closer look. Finished in a vibrant orange exterior paired with a clean white bench seat interior, this Bel Air has the kind of presence that turns heads wherever it goes. It maintains its timeless vintage appearance while incorporating modern performance upgrades that make it an enjoyable cruiser for today's roads. Under the hood sits a dependable 350 cubic inch Chevrolet V8, enhanced with an Edelbrock aluminum intake, block hugger headers, MSD ignition, and Chevrolet performance valve covers. An aluminum radiator with an electric cooling fan helps keep temperatures under control, whether you're cruising through town or heading out on a long highway drive. Power is sent through a 700R4 automatic overdrive transmission, providing smooth shifts and relaxed highway cruising. Combined with power brakes, this Bel Air delivers a much more confident driving experience than its original factory setup. One of the standout features is the Air Ride suspension, allowing you to adjust the ride height for the perfect stance. Whether you're parked at a car show or cruising down the highway, this Chevy offers both style and versatility. Inside, you'll also find a local floor shifter, an aftermarket sound system, and a 3-gauge auxiliary pod, blending modern convenience with classic design. 1950 Studebaker Champion. Price, $9,000. Location, Buna, Texas. If you're searching for an affordable post-war classic, this 1950 Studebaker Champion is definitely worth a look. Finished in a classy burgundy exterior with a tan interior, this four-door sedan offers timeless styling and plenty of vintage charm. According to the seller, this Champion is an all-original survivor, making it a great choice for collectors who appreciate authenticity. Power comes from its original engine paired with a manual transmission, delivering the classic driving experience that made Studebaker a respected American automaker in the early 1950s. The odometer shows 83,579 miles, and the seller says the car runs, with a video available demonstrating it in operation. It has also been fitted with new tires, making it even more ready for weekend cruises or local car shows. This Studebaker has been owned by the seller's father, who enjoyed tinkering with it and taking it to classic car events. Now it's ready for a new owner to continue its journey and preserve this piece of American automotive history.